Let me show you the process of changing the password on Amazon Prime Video. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick till the end without skipping any part. To change your password of Amazon Prime Video, you'll need to open up the website because you wouldn't find an option within the mobile app. So search for primevideo.com on your web browser and then log into your account if you have not yet. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon on the top right and then open up account and settings. You may again need to log into your account. Inside of account and settings, the first option that you see is your details. Just click on edit on Amazon and again log into your account. Now inside of this setting, you will see all of your information such as your name, email address, your phone number and your password. To change your password, click on edit on the password option. And now you can type in your current password. If you don't remember your current password, you will need to reset it and not change it. If you want to reset your Amazon password, then make sure you check other videos on our channel. But if you do remember your password, you can type it in and then create a new password. Make your password strong, include numbers, letters and special characters. In the third box, you'll again need to re-enter it to confirm it. Once you enter in all these information, you can click on Save Changes. And as easy as that, your password of Amazon will be successfully changed. Now the next time you log into your account, make sure you type in the new password instead of the old one. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.